Alrighty y'all, welcome back. Today we are, well, we were attempting to move a deer blind, but it didn't really work out very well. So I guess today out on the farm with the 6.0 that we just went ahead and fixed in a previous episode. Today out on the farm, I guess we're going to be building a hay bale blind now that we've just accidentally destroyed this one. So instead of moving it, I guess we're going to be moving the remains of it over there or over here, I guess. I don't know what he's doing, but we were attempting to move that blind when it was in one piece over there, and then just because it had blown over with some hard winds and a storm we got recently. And yeah, so also we have Alex out here with Head Productions. Go ahead and subscribe to him, guys. Anyways, and I might, if I remember, I'll put a link to his channel down below. Yeah, and then I guess with this spot that we have, we're gonna put some hay bales, a hay bale blind up with some hay bales today, because hunting season's in 2 weeks, rifle season is, and so we're still gonna use this spot because I shot a lot of deer out of this spot. Well, I guess he's hauling off the big main piece, maybe, and he's gonna come back for the remains later. But I mean, that was all in one piece just a couple moments ago. Yeah, we got Alex over there recording for his Head Productions YouTube channel as well. Go subscribe to him. Yeah, and I'll also just be recording whatever else we work on today. Maybe the making of the hay bale blind, and I guess removing the remains of this blind. So yeah, I've shot a lot of deer out of this blind. It's kind of sad to see it go. We built this over in our big shop over there a long time ago, a lot of years ago, and oh well. I guess we're gonna throw up a hay bale blind now soon and start new beginnings. So I'm gonna go help them move this stuff, and I'll catch you guys with that. Alright guys, we got all the remains of the old blind. It was scattered all the way out here. We got into one little nice pile here, so we can throw it all away. Alrighty guys, we just got the first hay bale dropped off here. Alex is chilling in the truck. He's got one of his videos that we recorded a couple hours ago uploaded to his YouTube channel, so make sure you guys go check him out at Head Productions. And yeah, so we got the first hay bale. We got the first hay bale here dropped off. I'm just sitting on it here for a minute, and I'll catch you guys once we get the next bales. Alrighty guys, so actually I hit a branch driving down that little road, and it kind of broke off his mirror. There it is right there. Yeah, we're getting bales, we're moving bales, and so we put in that mirror. That mirror's fine, so that we didn't hit any more branches going down this tiny road. But yeah, so he's moving bales back there. I figured I'd take you guys along for it, but I accidentally had a little bit of an incident with a branch, so yeah, I kind of broke the mirror. We're having bad luck today. Sure. All right, well, catch you guys once we begin building the hay bale blind. I just figured I'd show you guys us grabbing some bales to build the hay bale blind, so catch you guys with that. Alrighty guys, currently loading up bales with the bale trailer here in the tractor. So we're gonna load up a couple of those, just enough to get our, I'm gonna drive through the field this time, by the way, but yeah, our hay bale blind built over that way. Yeah, I'm not driving down this little road here again. Let me show you guys where I was driving it. I'm just driving down there, and a branch was sticking out, and just, yeah, kind of busted up the mirror a little bit. That wasn't kind of planned, or, you know, I didn't plan that. But yeah, and then we put the mirrors in for the rest of the way up there. I was going like 1 mile an hour, but I mean, we had just got on that road, started coming down here, like just the second we started going down to this little hill, well, like 6-7 miles an hour, not even fast at all. And it just took out that mirror, smoked the mirror. So, yeah, we're moving bales. Catch you guys once we're over at the spot where we're gonna build the blind. Alrighty guys, we're following the tractor with the bale trailer here with all the bales on it. And we're following Dad back up to the spot here, and then we're gonna go assemble our hay bale blind. It should be a pretty good video. And here with Alex one more time here. He's making a video on this as well, so if you would like to see this from another angle, you guys can feel free to subscribe to him at Head Productions. Yeah guys, catch you guys once we're at the spot. But real quick, there's the broken mirror. I'll show you guys up close in a minute. Real quick guys, here's the broken mirror here, and I'm currently holding the mirror part of it, and so I'm just going to try to fix this real quick, and I'll catch you guys in a moment. I'm gonna have Alex actually record me. Hang on, did I break it up? Yeah, let me look at the back. I don't think no, I didn't break it off. No, I'm gonna get it back in there, so I'll fix it. And you guys can check out Head Productions, and he's also recording right now, so if you guys want to see me, we'll forget about that. But if you guys want to see me fixing this, because I have to use both hands to fix this, then you guys can go check that out on his YouTube channel. But yeah, I'm gonna go and fix this real quick. I'll catch you guys once I'm done. Alrighty guys, update. We're heading down to the blind now, and I didn't get enough time to fix that mirror. Turns out we kind of need a new one, because there's a lot of things we need to pop back in and stuff, and couldn't really get it popped back in. I'm gonna roll up the windows here so we don't get dust on us. And on this road now, let me roll down that rear window where the exhaust is, the right rear window back there. All right, guys. All right, sound pretty good. Alrighty guys, we're out here at the knocked over blind. You guys can kind of see it out there a little bit. We're just gonna go ahead and get that put back up, and I'll catch you guys with that. Alrighty guys, I don't really know if we're gonna get this stood up today, but I guess if we do, I'll catch you guys with another clip. I think I'm gonna end off the video here. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. And with that, I'm gonna catch you guys very, very soon in the next one.